Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, I have provided you the best knowledge, whatever I have about life, about your career, about the how to build your career, and what are the things you need to understand to work in an organization. What are the things you don't need to do to work in an organization? What are the things you need to learn to be a part of an organization? And right now my career awareness series is going on. In that series I have tried to provide you the best knowledge that how to make a resume, how you can prove yourself in an organization, what are the things you need to say in an HR interview, what are the things you don't need to say in an HR interview, what are the best career options for you being a programmer, being a coder. So kindly go through my career awareness series and get the best knowledge whatever I have tried to provide you. So guys, in my today's session I am going to talk about something that is we all know that PEGA is a tool, right? So what are the future benefits of working in PEGA? Okay, so let's get started, guys. So guys, you need to, at first we need to understand that PEGA is only a tool. It's very easy to learn. So if you are a candidate who is working in PEGA, especially for a fresher, so it's the first thing you need to understand that only making the first base of a building is not enough to make a building properly. So I will suggest you kindly focus on making the full building. So how to do it? So guys, if you are a candidate who is working in a tool, it's only a tool to learn. But if you wanted to work in a project or you wanted to prove yourself in an organization, kindly do a certification in any course. It can be in Java full stack development, it can be in Java DevOps. Do the live projects, because whenever you are going to prove yourself in your organization, if you have that live project experience, you can show that you have that certification. Apart from working in that tool, you can show that I am a software developer and I have that experience. So when the project will come, apart from your BPM automation projects, other projects will come. They will the company will give you the chance to work with them, because you can show that I have that knowledge and I have that opportunity. You can give me that opportunity to work with another projects also. So if you wanted to make your career, if you wanted to build your career as a software developer, don't be a fool by doing something that is not at all give you that mileage. Yeah, it can be a extra added advantage in your CV whenever you are going to give an interview as a software developer. In your precise job role, you can show that I have done this, I am experienced in working in this tool. So but it's not the only thing you need to do. So but guys, don't get frustrated. If you're working in PEGA, kindly do it very confidently, because if you are facing the issues that either I'm going to work in PEGA or I need to do anything else, kindly talk to your HR person, because or your senior manager. Only they can help you in that transition from your from that position to another projects also. So guys, whenever if you need that transition, at first prove yourself, and after that talk or you with your senior manager. If your senior manager is unable to do anything, kindly talk with your HR. I will advise you, at first talk with your senior manager, after that go for HR, because it will not make any misunderstanding between both of you. So and that time when you will prove yourself in working in PEGA, they will call you and ask you that do you wanted to work in another project. So that time you can say yes, I wanted to work in another project also, because I have the certification in Java full stack development, or I have the certification in Java DevOps, so I have that experience. And apart from that, if you are going to give interview in another companies also, that time also you can show that I have already worked in these projects, and I have that experience in working in live projects, and I have worked in the tool PEGA also. So guys, if you're a candidate, if you're a fresher candidate, you need to understand that only working in one thing, in one tool, is not going to give you that proper mileage. So learn another technologies also. Be a Java full stack developer, be a make yourself proper and work in a Java projects, and after that you can show your experience in working in PEGA. Okay, So these are the things. I think what I said, you get my point. Okay, so bye for now. Kindly connect with me. Whatever information you need, I will provide you all the information, and be a part of our journey. In PCS Global, we are providing the training in software development. We are providing the training in Java full stack, Salesforce, Java DevOps. So all of our trainings are going on. Our CELP project is also going on. So it's an on-job training. So if you wanted to learn something from us, you can communicate with me. I will provide you all the details. Our Bangalore centers are also going to open from 3rd November onwards. So if you are located in Bangalore and looking for better opportunities, and you don't know how to where to go, how to communicate with us, from where you can get the physical consultation, you can go for our Bangalore centers. And for that schedule, you can call me. I will provide you the proper schedule. And kindly visit our centers, get the best knowledge. Our centers are located, Bangalore centers are located in Marathali and BTS layout. These are our physical centers. Our another centers are going to open. Our more than 3 centers are going to open in Bangalore also. So I will provide you all the details. Then address will be given in the description box. Kindly check the description box and communicate, get the best knowledge, and be a part of our journey. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Have a very good day. Stay safe, be happy, and make others happy too. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below.